It's been a long time since we posted a drone video, and DJI is releasing new drones at a rapid pace, as if they haven't released a drone in a long time. In this video, we will talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, an upcoming drone model. With its very compact design, it is one of the price-performance drones we have been waiting for. But in addition to its technical specifications, price and release date, we will also look at the rumors, and most importantly, the fabrications that are known to be true. Yes, there has been a lot of talk about fabricated features in the market. Without further ado, let's start the video with the specs, but as I always say, if you're planning to buy a camera or drone in 2024, I highly recommend you subscribe to Photomica. We do as much research as we can and prepare videos so that you can make rational decisions. So let's get started. Based on DJI's typical release patterns, industry insiders speculate that the Mini 5 Pro could make its debut around September 2024. This timeline fits perfectly with DJI's strategy of annual updates, allowing them to stay competitive and keep their loyal customers eager for more. So, is a September 2024 release realistic? Given DJI's history, it seems likely. One of the most exciting rumors is about the camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, a big leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in previous models. This upgrade could dramatically improve dynamic range and reduce noise, especially in low-light conditions. In addition, we will be able to shoot 4K videos at 60 FPS. This is pretty normal nowadays, but for a compact and price-performance drone, it's quite satisfying. Another area where improvements are hoped for is internal storage. However, the market is currently divided, with many arguing that this is an unnecessary upgrade. This is just a rumor, as no official announcement has been made yet. The Mini 4 Pro's 2 GB of internal storage was a bit disappointing, but if we see it in the Mini 5 Pro, we can expect at least 8 GB of internal storage. But whether internal storage is needed in general is debatable. It would be good if you let us know what you think about this in the comments. Flight time is always a major concern for drone enthusiasts. Despite the Intelligent Battery Plus in the Mini 4 Pro, flight time has not been significantly improved. We hope the Mini 5 Pro will bring at least 40 minutes of flight time per charge. This will give pilots more freedom to explore and shoot without constantly worrying about battery life. In fact, for professional drone users, this is very important. Now, the price side is an important part because it increases with the innovations and developments. Based on the price of the Mini 4 Pro, we expect the Mini 5 Pro to be around this price. The price of this drone, which we can call the middle segment, will start at $750, $800. Of course, it may vary according to package prices. In the meantime, you can check the current prices of Mini 4 Pro from the description or comments. There are more rumors in the market, but frankly, some of them seem unrealistic, and some of them seem exaggerated, because it is already a mid-segment drone, even entry-level, and it is not very logical to see high-end features in this drone. Of course, everyone wants this to happen, but for now, it doesn't seem possible. On the other hand, I honestly think that the Mini 5 Pro can be used for professional shooting. A bigger sensor, better dynamic range, more storage space, and longer flight times are not just must-haves, they are must-haves. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has the potential to set a new benchmark in the drone industry. With these expected upgrades, DJI will not only recapture the feel of its previous models, but also take itself a step further. So, what do you think? Will the Mini 5 Pro set a new standard for compact drones, or are these changes only incremental? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Finally, before I end this video, if you want to make the right decision when buying a camera this year, I highly recommend subscribing to Photomica. You can also like the video by pressing the like button at the bottom to make this video stand out. That's all for today. Take care and see you in the next video.